Hello friends, we are going to Vaishno Devi and we both are going for the first time after marriage. And see, this is the workload we are facing right now because it's Friday and we still have to work. We both have a night shift job. So we are like on the way to the railway station. Our train is at 7. So let's see how we'll reach and what happens. So just pray. Jai Mata Di. We'll meet you in the next vlog. Thank you.
जय माता दी।
को जाने वाली किलो 49 परिषद पीएमयू प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 13 प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 13 से चलने को जा रहे हैं। यात्रियों से अनुरोध है गाड़ी में अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 10 पर करें।
Hello friends, so we are back. Here he is. We are in hotel called Mangla Bhavan.
जय माता दी।
Jai Mata Di. And the thing is, we just reached here around 5:40 or something. Our train was on right time. Sorry, we could not cover in the train because our seats were not that good. So we have to manage. And now we are in Katra, and let me show you if it's possible. See the weather here. So after few hours we will be starting our track and we'll catch you there. Bye bye. Jai Mata Di. Rainy.
जय माता की।
सारे बोलो।
जय मेरी फोटो खींचे दोबारा यार सबको दिखना चाहिए
रिव्यू आना चाहिए
आप बताइए किधर फाइनल चलना है आइटम सिंपल फोटो में खींच दो आ जाओ
Ya, 100 का 12
कमालिश
Oleh Mana kan?
Hello, how was the experience
of what
for your Vaishno Devi Yatra?
It was really good. We are blessed that we went there, and though it was so hectic because the thing is we went from here on 16th, right? On
Yes.
16th we started from here at around 12:30, and then we came back tomorrow at around
4
4.
p.m.
So it was so long, but the best part was that we had such a sorry, my bad. Such a you know such a good darshan, I should say. And the best part was we attended Aarti, Ardhkumari Aarti, and we went through to that gufa as well. So yeah, it was overall a great experience. Even after marriage, it is our first trip, or I should say first visit to any temple or spiritual place. So yeah, it was good. It was nice.
After Bhavan Darshan, then you will go to the Bhairav Baba. So
Yeah.
what was the experience? How is climbing the mountain?
We were trying for the ropeway if we get it, so
Yeah.
we were there for the for one whole day. We were at Mataji's Bhavan. We stayed there.
Even your
And we were
prasad is also
yeah, there was some experiences, some good experiences. But first of all, I'll tell you that we stayed there, and as it is believed to take a bath from where the same place where I guess Mataji took
yeah.
bath, or
Yes.
so everybody said ki once you visit there at the Bhavan before
Darshan.
before visit for the darshan, do take bath from there. So we visited there around 11 or so,
11:40.
11:40. So we decided, okay, at 12 we will take bath,
Yeah.
and then we'll make a darshan, and then we'll try if we can get the place in the aarti or not. So once we went to the bathing area, there was screaming coming out of those bathrooms because
the cold water is there.
because of the cold water. People were literally screaming, and I decided not to take a bath because after listening that, and once I opened my shoes, and the floor was chilling like anything.
Correct.
So my husband decided, he said, no, I'll take a bath at any cost. So he went there, he came. After seeing him so relaxed, I thought, okay, it's not that cold. So I also went. Believe me, it was so chilling that your all blocked nerves would open after taking bath from there. But you feel so relaxed after. Your all tiredness, all pain, everything goes once you take bath. So after taking bath, we went to put our like all the stuffs to clock room. Not clock room. We went to there for the army area. There we like submitted our
Luggage.
luggage and everything in that locker, and then we went for the darshan. And while going for the darshan, the thing was, we were in dilemma whether we should take the darshan now or not, but we said okay, we'll come again, so let's take darshan now. We went, we had such a good darshan there. After coming from the darshan, now we were like what to do, because the rooms were not available, not a single room were ever.
Even also blanket is not be there. We have
Blankets were not there. People, there was lot of blankets, but all were occupied. People were taking 5 blankets each person, because it was too cold that they cannot even sleep by on one blanket. So we were roaming here and there and were pleading people if they can give us one blanket, but we were failed. So we were sitting here and there, sometimes outside, sometimes inside. Means we were doing this throughout night, and around I guess around 3:30 or 4, we again decided to make a visit to the Mataji's Bhavan. Mataji's Aarti, and we decided ki let's plan in such a way that we haven't taken tickets for that. The ticket cost was 2,000 per head, and we decided we will go for this darshan
by chance.
once the Mataji will make us that capable that we do not have to think even once for that. So, and if she wants, she'll give us a darshan for the aarti. So we decided, we were planning how to go there so that we can be there at darshan time. And the best part was not only we, but there were a lot of people who were doing the same thing. They were standing in the line but not moving.
Correct.
The reason was they were planning, okay, by this time we will be that place and then we can make a visit, because as per the information we received from one person, he told that 50 people are allowed from gate number 3 for free darshans, and rest all are paid one. So that day, the thing is, I asked one serving personnel, so he informed me that, ma'am, today it's impossible because there is very less chance, because there was a visit by Governor of Jammu. So darshan in Aarti is very less chance. So then we decided, okay, let's not, crave for more, because the thing is, the more and more you crave, the more and more your disbeliefs in God happens. So in Hindi I'll say कि जितना भगवान दे उसी में हमें खुश रहना चाहिए. So the thing is, we decided कि okay, let's take a darshan and let's move ahead for Bhairav Babaji's darshan. So we make a visit, and then we decided, we came back, we took our all the luggage from the army store, and then we went for the ropeway, because the ropeway ticket booking used to start at 7, but some people were saying at 8. So when we went there at around 5:30 or 6, I guess 5:30, and you won't believe me, at 5:30 itself there was a huge big line, and we were at last at that time. or and that was the time when Aarti used to be there at the Bhavan. So we thought ki people would be there and making a visit, even not from inside but from outside at least.
There are 3 windows are there at the
There
time.
were 3 windows, and on we were in the first line, and the second 2 lines were not there. But suddenly people came running.
On second counter.
And some were there on the second counter and someone on the third counter. My husband went for the inquiry, like what, why they are running there. And we went there. So once we went there, we saw he came running. He said, come, there is less line and we'll get the tickets. And we went and we sat there, and as it was already, we have to wait 2 hours, so we just sat there, and he was lying. Suddenly police came. He said, everyone just get up and go, that is one line, there will be only one line, you all have to stand one, these are not valid. And we had luggage, so as soon as we listened that this line is not applicable, we ran. And in that we left our main prasad. There was whole prasad. We left our prasadi there in Hariness, and that was red color bag. And then we went to the very first line where we were standing earlier also, and at that time we were somewhat nearby. So now we went to the last, and then we were standing, and suddenly after I guess around half an hour, my husband asked for something from that. Yeah, he told me, where is that red bag? I said, which one? He said, there's that red one, the prasad one. So I was stuck, means it was, my mind blocked totally, even his mood goes off. So he went, they are running, and there was already police barricading were there. They were not allowing in that area to come. So he went, he saw there was nothing. He came to me, he said, there, it is not there, you just go and check. So I went there, I requested a policeman, please let me in, because I have to search for my bag and it's very important. So, and it was important because nobody can understand this. It was a prasad, but for us it was much more than our luggage, our own luggage. So we went there, and I went there, and I told the same thing to the policeman. He said, okay, you go and search, though there are very less chances, but you can go and search. I went there 3 times and were looking throughout the line if anyone is carrying that red bag, and people were watching me. There was 2-3 boys standing there. I asked them as well, but everybody said, no, we all ran, we don't know. So the thing is, once we were in earlier line, as I told you that we were in first line earlier, there was one auntie who was behind us. She, I guess her daughter and her husband. So 3 people were there. So you will see the luck how it happens. So she was behind me when I was in my line, and her daughter and her husband, but her husband wasn't in that line when we were standing there, because her husband already went to the second line where my husband went there, and they both again together met there. And he asked the person, like, my wife will be coming, so I want to call her, will you be there? He said, I also have a 2 person to call, so first you go and call and then I will call. And that auntie only came when I was there, and I thought she was just behind me. So there she came just before me, and she was sitting with me when we were in the second line. And when we ran from there, she was there at the first, and there were some boys also, boys home. So I was searching for that auntie, because I got everyone there, that boys also, some other faces also. So I asked them, did you see any bag here? Did you see any bag here? Everybody was, no, it wasn't. Even they also started searching, and they were saying, please check that bag, please check that bag. But then while coming, I saw that auntie standing at the very earlier from us, though she was at behind from us, but she was so clever that she again entered in that same line above. So I saw her. Then I said, auntie, did you see any packet, red color bag when we were coming there? She didn't say no. She said, oh, mere paas to, I to have only this. And her daughter showed me, I to have only this. I was like, okay, fine. But then
the announce is the portal is not working.
Then I went back in my line, and I was standing. My husband was again, and he was very, very much dejected, and he was just saying there was this, there was this, there was this. His mood goes totally off, and I was just thinking, even my mood was off, but I was just thinking why this happened, you know, because we are Indians and we connect everything to the like, because we have that belief in Mataji. Means normal people will say, it's what happened, okay, it's gone, you should not think much. But the thing is, we have that feeling, we have that spiritual connectivity with the god, so we think what's indication there, why she's sad from us or what it is. So I was also connecting, and I was also thinking, now our whole trip is spoiled. So even if we'll go back also to the room, it will be have this thing, there will be a pinch, not even pinch, a big, you know, grudges or something in our mind, why we didn't took that prasadi packet with us. So we both were so sad, and we were just standing there. Suddenly there was an announcement that there will be a delay in rope with ticketing because portal is not working. And we were like, and my husband was already asking me to, let's go, not waste time in this, and let's go, we will walk 2 kilometers. But the thing is that 2 kilometers is way like 5 kilometers because of that steep chadhai. So the slow mountain are totally, sorry, the way is totally steep. It not even that Vaishno Devi, but totally like steep like this. So I was, that is because I went just before 1 year, so I was thinking, oh my god, our both legs were totally gone, so we will be able to or not. So I was praying that we get the ropeway. But suddenly what happened, when this was announced, people started moving from there. So I thought, why not to check those who are going, if anyone is carrying. He also told me, because I informed him that one guy was carrying that red packets. He said, okay, let's come and we'll ask what it is, if there is one. Because there was one guy who told me that people don't take the prasadi if they found it there. They keep it, they do not touch it. So we were standing, so 2 guys were going, one were also taking. So we asked them, did you saw the packet? He said, no, we didn't. So suddenly what happened, I guess, we were checking those who are carrying that, and we both clicked, because he also saw that uncle carrying that red bag, and I also saw uncle carrying that red bag. That same uncle, the auntie and that lady who were behind us, and after that were before us. So we asked, auntie was, we saw that they saw us. So uncle was turning, because auntie was saying something to me, and uncle was turning, because I think uncle was innocent. It was just because of that auntie. Uncle was turning his back like he didn't hold anything, and auntie was just saying, jao type. So we stopped. Once we saw, we stopped. Though I was feeling little, what will say? He can say, this is my thing. How can we claim? Because it was prasad. But the best part was we kept medicines also inside it. So, and the best thing was they didn't have bag, because if they would have, then they would have kept it inside. So we stopped that uncle when we asked, and uncle was stuck. He didn't have anything to say. Uncle said, mera. Tab tak auntie said, oh, this is the bag. Oh, uncle said, inhone mujhe pakdaya. They gave it to me and I holded it. So auntie said, and then auntie came in such a way, oh, I'm so sorry, and she hugged, and I don't know, she came to my husband also, and because I knew everything. So because instead of saying anything, I said, auntie, it's very nice you got it, because you got it, that is why we get our product. Otherwise though we would have it. Manuela, it was very important for us, and after marriage we came for the first time, and this we got it. Thank you so much, auntie, you got it. She felt like, okay, they believed that we haven't done it, and still we are not sure, we haven't seen it yet. Our one prasad is not there, that Panchami one, right? So it's not there. We bought 2 packets, but it's okay, fine. Jo Mata likhti hai wo hota hai. But the best part was we got our prasadi from there. But that whole scene was so planned way that in some part we got stuck, and after we were so sad, and you won't believe, after getting that, again a new energy came into us. We decided that we'll go through that through walk only, and we started. Though it was steep, we were feeling, even I got cramps also means cramps, like I started crying on stairs also, that kind of cramps. But it was not that ki no, now I don't want to go at. That was never came into our mind, because there used to be some people, they give up, and we could, it's not because of our belief or something, it's all because of Mataji's blessing. You go there, because I believe even after so much pain, and there were so old people, those who were walking barefoot, means not even the sleepers in that winters, there was so chill over there. And after taking proper bath, when I went to the taking bath, I just took and did, and then that itself I was gone. But there was a lady who was so old, and she was proper under the tap and taking the bath from whole, means from the head itself. So I was thinking, what kind of energy, what kind of strength they get, and this is all because of Mataji's blessings. Even they also go barefoot on that. So we went there. After going there, we went for the Bhairavnathji darshan. From there we did darshan. We saw langurs there. That was the most entertainment point, because anybody who they saw, and see, that is also magic. There used to be langar, the white langurs were not going there, because though they know that langar and food is there, but they were not taking chips or any other thing. Only the darshan, the prasads you have. If they see if anyone is holding that prasad wala packet, they go and snatch that packet and they get it. I'm not talking about monkeys, only the langurs. And the best part was, there are a lot of people, but they do not hurt anyone as of now, what I have seen. Because I was thinking they could hurt anyone, so why don't they remove them, why don't they, but they were not hurting anyone, they were just snatching it and having it. Because people were standing there, they were going and like they are giving a pose, and sitting just next to them who are taking clicks. So it was so good to see that there is some magic there. People believe it or not, but if you'll see small thing, you'll see a lot of things there. While returning, we saw deer there.
Yeah.
And monkeys. We saw some different kind of some
Birds also.
birds. Flowers were like anything. Mataji like that. We call it what it is.
Gudhal.
Gudhal ka fool. In English, I say tulip. No, not tulip, but it looked like tulips. So we saw that flower. It is very dear to Mata Rani, it is said, and we saw it all over the mountains. So something is attached to the nature. Sorry, in one or another way, they all are attached. And while returning, we took the new Rasta, Tarakot one. We thought it is the plain one. As someone suggested it, and most of the thing that people say that it is not that more slow. While returning, you do not have to put pressure on your legs, but the thing is, the gravity is pushing on pressure on you, so your leg, you have to stop that pressure. So while coming, we have to stop ourselves, otherwise while we'll fall like we'll become a ball and we'll roll. We will roll like anything. If you have seen, that ball used to come, and when we were small, that we push and that ball used to go like, so we will stop directly from Mataji's Bhavan to Ardhakumari Dharam. It will come in that. So we took that. Me and my husband decided to take that Tarakot mass, so that we'll see the new way also how it is. The way was so good. It is well maintained, though there were some things lacking because it is on development mode, so might be. The thing was that around 2 or 2.5 kilometers you won't find, 2 or 3 kilometers you won't find any toilet there, any washrooms or anything. And then there was, the only thing was, the main thing which we thought was missing is entertainment basically, because there were very less people who were going. Usually you don't want
No
to
shops are there.
shops were not much, only some big shops that were, that too very far away, and that there was no kind of, any kind of there's one spark or something if you go to that place. So, and if you'll go to old place, from starting onwards you'll see that people calling Jai Mata Di, peoples are running in that way, means there is some kind of spirituality all over there. This is also nice, but the thing is, because of less people are taking this route, so this is what missing here. And then while coming itself, there was Navgrah Park Vatika. It was so beautiful, so beautiful. Though we didn't make a visit there, we were already tired, and we were just thinking when we get to our hotels. So we just came from there, and then after coming there, Tarakot, we took auto there, and from auto we came to home. And after coming to the hotel, we sleep, and we didn't even notice the time and all. And you won't believe, we both are nowadays, now in my husband also, we both sleep at around 1 or 2, but we don't know how we get slept at around 9 or 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30.
And we wake up early morning, and means for me, I don't know about my husband, but for me, I didn't wake up in between because I have a habit of waking up. But initially I was having a pain, so because of that I was not getting sleep. But once I got sleep, I didn't know what happened, what not happened. I directly opened my eyes once I wake up. That too, my husband wake me up. So yeah, that was the whole thing. We enjoyed a lot. It was, means, all because of Mataji's blessing, we were able to make visit to her darshan for twice. And then it is said that one should stay at the Bhavan if you go, and in one or another way, we didn't decide it, but we stayed there. And the best part which I missed was Ardhakumari Aarti. We purchased
Garbjun Gufa.
Garbjun Gufa visit and Aarti for the 17th morning.
Correct.
But you won't believe, once we entered the Ardhakumari, we heard a sound announcement stating that those who want to make a visit to the Aarti and Garb Gufa can take a tickets. And so it was, we visited there around 3:30 or 4, and we thought ki why not, we'll stay here, so it will somewhere we'll be able to catch a Aarti in the Bhavan. If we'll take the Aarti now, we will ask if they can transfer our Aarti from this time to from our morning time to this time. So we went there, we asked the counter person, the person sitting there, can we get the Aarti, can we get this shifted to this time instead of morning time? He said sorry, we can't. So we insisted, but he said no, you have to either purchase now, and if you want, you can come tomorrow. So though I wanted for tomorrow, because I asked my husband why to waste 600 again, but he was so in his mind he was so decided कि no, we'll take Aarti now only. So he again purchased it, and then we made a visit to the, he again purchased that 600 tickets for the Aarti and Gufa. Though one can also make a visit to the Gufa without purchasing it, just you have to make a number for it. You'll get a
You
number.
need to wait for 36 hours.
36 hours, 12 hours. People were there because there was rush, but still they were getting visits, because sometimes people used to get after 2 days, 3 days, but that day people were getting on the same day also. And there were people who was even given their purchase also. It's my time, you please, if you want to go, you can go, because they have another plan, they had trains and many things like that. So but my husband said no, we will make a Aarti visit today itself. And I asked him also what we'll do for this 600. He said we'll try to come again, if not then it is considered as from our side kind of donation, but we'll make a visit today. And he was so strict to it, so I also decided okay, fine. But that was the best decision, reason being because we took that is why we were free like for the next day. We had planned, we could make a twice visit to the Mataji's temple, we can go Bhavan at our time. So that was not in our mind, that moreover it would have involved much more chadhai. Reason being, first we would have gone to the Bhavan, then we would have gone to the Bhairanathji's darshan, then we would have come again to the Bhavan, and then again to the Ardhakumari. So it would have been, we have to come again to the Mataji's mandir. So we took the Aarti Darshan there. We after 1.5 or 2 hours waiting. So waiting as in timing waiting, because we were not in a waiting, but the thing is that they have Aarti was at 6, so we have to wait till 6. So we went there for 1 hour. They were so soothing, so meditating kind of aartis, bhajans, mantra ucharans. So we were enjoying it like anything. It was like the best part for me, because there was some kind of connectivity you feel once you listen to the bhajan and everything. So because it makes you also to involve in it, so we were enjoying it. And then after we went to the gufa, we made a line, and after seeing that gufa, I thought, I was just worried and nervous about whether I will be able to enter in it or not. The reason being, it was so small, people were crawling inside it, and the main thing was, I thought I am so moti, so how I will enter. But before me, like before around 10 or some people were standing, there was auntie, she was so huge, and I saw her, she went inside. So I think she can, then why not me? So because people said ki this is a mother's womb. So a mother's, just like a mother's womb, you go inside it and you come outside. That 9 months thing is there. So I prayed and I went inside it. I came outside. I was happy. I was able to enter it. And I asked my husband to just be behind me, because if I stuck, he's there to help me. So we went there, and then after that we took a visit to the Ardhakupari temple. We got a prasadi and everything there, and yeah, and then we went to the bhavan, and there were a lot of things we were enjoying in between. People on Goda, they were so nervous. Some people were saying, Bhaiya aram se chalao, one sir was so aram se, the one who is going very aram se, they were saying, Bhaiya thodi tej chalao, jaise Goda tej chalta tha. They were like Bhaiya. And there was scene also where horse was running like anything. The person who was holding horse, he was behind it. He was behind running an horse. We were laughing like anything. And we thought ki why not to stand in front of them, so that horse take us also with them. और सीधे माता रानी की तरफ. So it was all good. There were people who were this much fat and youngsters, and they were going on that Shahenshah wali pittus. So the thing is, it was all so good experience there. There were 2 groups of monkeys who were fighting, and there were some monkeys who were becoming some monkey things also. They were doing naughty things there. And we were going and we were seeing it. So it was very great experience, especially I visited it with my husband. That was so important for me. And then there was some kind of superpower I felt there last year also, this year also, because you'll see many things there which you'll be saying how this happened. Means even that where you walk also, how it has happened that it has made in such a way. No doubt there is machines, there are handmade things, people can make it. In now our science is so like fast, so developed now, but the thing is still, if you are in Katra, you will see there, you'll see ki how we will reach there, but how they have made it in such a way that you can reach there very easily as in your own state and Mataji's blessings you need. Otherwise you get every kind of facilities, amenities there, whatever you need. So it was so good, so nice, and one should always make a visit to it. And Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di.